In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light switch on this Volkswagen Beetle. It's underneath the dash, underneath this cover. Let's get into it. Now I'll take these screws out, use a T15 socket. There's another one right there. And another one over here. This lower panel tips down. And it'll slide right out. I'm going to grab the brake pedal switch, twist it to the left, and it'll slide it right out. Grab the connector, just push on the tabs, and then it disconnects. Now we'll connect the connector, just like that. Line the switch up. I'm just going to pull up on the brake pedal a little bit and then twist the switch in. Double check your brake lights. I'll slide the panel in place. I'll put the screws in place. Now we'll tighten these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.